It's starting to rain. We haven't really got one good photo yet. Been out for an hour, but I have a $14,000 lens and I haven't got one good photo. Come on, birds. Today we're in Fort Lauderdale and I'm at the Plantation Preserve linear trailhead. And I've got the Canon R6 III with the 400mm. I'm here because I'm down for a trip for work to the Everglades, but I'm testing this out just so I can get a bit of practice with it. It's a massive lens, and I saw on eBird in the last 7 days we've got about 40 species of birds on this trail, all which I've never really seen back in New York City. So I'm super excited to see if we can see all of these birds. I know I'm in shorts, but for this time of year in Florida, it is really cold. There's actually a winter storm coming in the next couple of days. It's going to drop down in temperature. So I don't know if that's going to affect the birds being out, but I am super excited. So let's get started. There's alligators and snakes live in most waterways, so stay alert. We have 6 bird species in this local area and a bunch of squirrel beef. I don't know if it's pointed at us. These guys are beefing. I'm getting out of here. So we've got it looks like an egret of some kind. I can't quite tell which one. It's really small, but he looks really cool right now. He's just kind of dipping, sort of wading through the water. Hopefully he'll come back towards us. I know I have a ridiculously big lens right now with the 400 2.8, but it's still, if you can believe it, not zoomed in enough to get like a portrait of this guy. Oh, he's just flying off. Oh no. We've got a snowy egret right in front of us, but he's being blocked by the reeds. I really thought we could come to Florida and just see a load of birds, but we're seeing more birds than we usually do, but they're not posing for a photo, they're just a little bit too far away. So the same frustrations, I'm just in shorts instead of 3 layers. It's starting to rain. We haven't really got one good photo yet. Been out for an hour, but I have a $14,000 lens and I haven't got one good photo. Come on, birds. Oh my God. There's another one. Come on, bud. Oh, yeah. We have a little blue heron in the water right now. And he is really cool. Wow. And I put the 2x teleconverter on because, as I said before, 400 just wasn't enough. So the good thing about having these crazy expensive lenses is when you put a teleconverter on, even though you do lose light and a bit of softness, a bit of sharpness, the images are still fantastic. So we're at 800 5.6. He looks like Gru from Despicable Me. Okay, it's our first experience birding in Florida. We got a few pretty decent photos in the end. I'm pretty excited about it. So I'm off to the Everglades to work for a bit. So hopefully I'll do a little roundup of my experience in the Everglades. Very much looking forward to that, to get even closer to some birds. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it, even in the rain and the cold of Florida. But I'll see you next time when we'll be photographing some more birds.